onset of the pandemic, just as it was starting, we were at a show that happens once every 3 years called the Con Expo or Construction Expo show here in Las Vegas. There's typically around 150,000 attendees, but because people started to become aware of the pandemic right before the show, some of the international attendees, quite a few of the international attendees, ended up not coming to the show. So the number of attendees reduced. A lot of the companies on the show floor, exhibitors on the show floor, responded and cut their staff in half. Some of the exhibitors on the show floor pulled out of the show. So there was a real concern that for many of these companies on the floor, that is their single largest marketing expense. And they were now in a situation that they didn't know what type of return they were going to get from it. So amazingly, in comparison to the 2017 show, the quality of the leads that they got, although that number was fewer, the quality was much greater. So the feedback that we received from clients on the floor is that it was a better show in 2020 than it was in 2017. And so that was just kind of the start. As we start to see trade shows coming back, that is part of that speculation, is that the days of frivolous travel and people being rewarded by attending trade shows are really gone. So the attendees that will be going are the more serious buyers. So although attendance might be lower, the expectation and the anticipation is that the quality of those attendees are going to be higher. And the return rate for the companies attending on their return on objectives, the return on investment, is going to be greater because of the higher quality of the